Welcome to this Android channel, and of course, as we continue examining who might get the Android 10 operating system quite early when it is released tomorrow, September 3rd. Well, OnePlus. So, OnePlus has been testing Android 10 beta in its three most recent devices: the OnePlus 7 Pro, the OnePlus 7, and the OnePlus 6T. So that looks good. Last time, Android 9, they were pretty much the first to get the Android 9 operating system. And one of the things that's pretty cool with OnePlus is often they go back quite far with upgrading devices. But of course, older devices will not get it immediately, they'll get it later. Rumors are, and these are rumors, that when the Pixel phones from Google get upgraded, OnePlus 7 users and OnePlus 6 users might be getting it the same day as the Pixel phones. Now that's of course just rumors because we don't know yet, but I will keep an eye on all the phones being updated. Every time a phone gets it, I will be actually posting. So if you're a OnePlus user, good chances you'll get it pretty soon. Also, what we think is that the OnePlus users will probably get it all the way down to OnePlus 5. So all the versions of OnePlus 5, 6, and 7 will be pushed to Android 10. Below that, Android 4.3, OnePlus and OnePlus 3T, for example, we don't really expect to have that on Android 10. But if you have recent devices, chances are you're very, very close. Once again, we think tomorrow, September 3rd, is when it's going to be released. That also means that if Pixel phones get upgraded tomorrow or during the week, there's a good chance, according to rumors, that OnePlus phones will also get it during the week. So once again, we'll keep you updated of any news on the channel. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.